Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new Xiaomi 14. We'll be breaking down its specs, features, and official price tag right here in the Philippines. So, let's get started. Okay, display muna tayo. Meron siyang 6.36 inch na screen size, 1.5K OLED display. Ang protective glass niya ay Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Meron siyang 1,200 by 2,670 pixels na screen resolution with pixel density na 460 pixels per square inch. Ang aspect ratio niya is 20:9. Meron siyang 120 refresh rate, 3,000 nits ang peak brightness niya. At meron siyang HDR10 Plus na technology. Okay, dimensions. Height niya is 152.8 mm with 71.5 mm na width. Ang thickness niya is 8.2 mm. Ang weight niya is 193 grams. Sa materials, ang front niya is glass, ang frame niya is aluminum, at sa likod is glass. Water and dust resistance, meron siyang IP rating na 68. Okay, sa hardware tayo. Ang chipset niya is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8, yung Gen 3. Ito ay built on 4nm process. Yung CPU is an octa-core processor up to 3.3 GHz. Yung GPU niya is Adreno 750. Ang OS niya ay Android 14 with a custom user interface na dinevelop ng Xiaomi, which is yung HyperOS. Storage. Meron siyang RAM na 12GB at yung storage na 256 or yung 512GB. Pero hindi siya expandable. SIM and network. Dual nano SIM siya. Yung cellular network is 5G. Sa battery naman, meron siyang 4,610 mAh with 90 watts na wired fast charging. In 31 minutes, 100% na. Meron din siyang wireless fast charging na 50 watts. In 46 minutes, full charge na. At meron siyang reverse wireless charging na 10 watts. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 na siya. Infrared meron. Bluetooth 5.3. NFC meron. GPS positioning. USB OTG yes meron. USB port, USB Type-C. Sa sensors naman, meron siyang barometer, gyroscope, compass, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and accelerometer. Sa biometrics, meron siyang face recognition, meron siyang fingerprint sensor na nasa under ng display. Okay, nasa camera na tayo. Meron siyang triple camera system. Yung main camera niya is 50MP with 1.6 aperture laser autofocus siya with optical image stabilization. Yung pangalawa is yung telephoto na 50MP with 2.0 na aperture autofocus with OIS din and up to 3.2 times optical zoom. At yung pangatlo naman is yung 50MP din na ultra-wide with 2.2 na aperture with field of view na 115 degrees. Mayroon siyang dual LED flash, dual tone na LED flash, up to 8K at 24 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second na video recording with EIS and HDR. Sa may front camera naman, meron siyang 32MP na selfie camera with 2.0 na aperture and can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second with EIS din. Okay, sa audio naman tayo. USB Type-C ang audio output niya. Meron siyang high-res na wired at wireless na audio. Stereo dual speakers na siya. At supported niya ang Dolby Atmos technology. Colors, meron siyang white, may black, at may jade green. Ang Xiaomi 14 ay nilaunch dito sa Pilipinas noong February 29, 2024. Okay, official price ng Xiaomi 14 dito sa Pilipinas. Yung variant na 12GB RAM, tapos may 256 na storage is 45,999. Yung variant na 12GB na RAM at may 512 na storage is 47,999. Ang Xiaomi 14 ay available na sa inyong mga suking tindahan sa Pilipinas at sa mga online stores gaya ng Shopee at Lazada. Thanks for watching! Please subscribe to my channel para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong cellphones na na-launch dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you and God bless.